Ceylon vanilla sugar. Ceylon vanilla sugar is a sweet culinary ingredient that combines granulated sugar with natural vanilla flavor from Ceylon vanilla beans. Ceylon vanilla beans sourced from Sri Lanka are known for their superior quality and unique flavor profile characterized by floral and fruity notes. To make Ceylon vanilla sugar, vanilla beans are typically infused into granulated sugar, imparting a rich vanilla aroma and flavor to the sugar. This flavored sugar can be used as a sweetener in various recipes, adding a subtle vanilla undertone to baked goods, beverages, and desserts. Thanks for watching.